Whey, what is commonly known as a bodybuilding favorite and is derived from the very liquid that separates from the curd in the cheese-making process. Whey has over 2 millennia of history and has been popularly used since 400 BC. Scientists have discovered more and more benefits of whey other than its use for muscle growth. Barley's use dates back 10,000 years ago in Ethiopia and Southeast Asia. In fact, the first known recipe for making barley wine was discovered in Babylonia in 2800 BC. A universally known ingredient in making beer and whiskey enjoyed today, it is packed with loads of health benefits many ancient civilizations have long benefited from, particularly in the medicinal use of barley water. Global Fusion Incorporated combines these two ingredients to give you a new addition to its NutriBlend line, bringing functionality, convenience, and health. GFI introduces NutriBlend Reborn. NutriBlend Reborn is a functional food that combines efficiency, taste, and nourishment in every glass. It boosts and protects you from the inside and out. Reborn is rich in protein and is very high in dietary fibers. It contains trace minerals such as selenium, phosphorus, copper, and manganese. And it also has a rich assortment of phytonutrients that acts as a potent antioxidant. Reborn's components did not just make rich history, but made scientific technological breakthroughs we knew very little about until today. With Reborn, every glass you enjoy gives you many health benefits. NutriBlend Reborn is perfect for people on the go, living an active lifestyle. NutriBlend Reborn. With every drink, your body is reborn.